of ground chicken. You can use pork. I have water chestnuts. And we're going to put a little bit of garlic. This is the Lumpia Shanghai. And chopped onions. You can use, ooh, do we have a better knife? And you can either use fish sauce if you want, depending on what you want.
Is that a soy sauce?
Or you can use soy sauce.
Okay.
More soy sauce.
Like most people who have been cooking forever, we really don't measure, but soy sauce. I brought two different types of wrappers. These are from the Philippines. Then you can get this. There are several different types, but make sure this is what you get.
So they're all individually
Yes.
wrapped.
And for your big spring rolls, you can use this. But I like cutting them in fourths. And you freeze them. So they're frozen individually. They can go into your oil at 350 degrees. It has to be at 350, not cooler than 350, because they'll get soggy.
Okay, so Nora is making one of her Shanghai Lumpia. With this, she has the Lumpia, and she took about a heaping teaspoon, actually, and you could smell. It's such a nice pungent smell. And she's rolling this. She's starting from the fat end, and then and now here's the secret, and then she used some water to close it, sort of like a glue.
Yeah, if we do the vegetable egg roll, then we will make it bigger, much bigger. There's a little Filipino in the back. She can come up and roll.
So we've added our lumpia to our hot oil, and you want to be sure that your oil is at 350 degrees before you add your lumpia. Fry it until it's golden brown.